See how she's framed in between the trees? There's a lot happening on that scene. You have all of that distraction on the right side, but your eyes will not go there to start with because she is framed in between two trees. Okay, so the tree is doing the framing. That is why it's important to think about the framing, guys. And thank you, Brandon, for that, because that was his eyes looking at that scene. I had another one that there was like there was a tree that was kind of leaning. Would be like I was working. Excuse me. I was working with a leading line, using the tree as a leading line, but I think this frame on that one was much stronger framing. So yeah, that one has been added already. Yeah, thank you, Gilda. Gilda saying it's a beautiful shot. So, but see how we're using the two trees to frame the subject. Yeah, and these are the things, guys, when you're shooting. These are important things that are gonna help you to decide where to shoot.